Aloha friends, welcome back. I'm Joanna and this is another kitchen adventure. We'll be making a strawberry chiffon pie that is a recipe from a Southern Living magazine article contribution in 1989. This has been shared online and I'd like to make it with you today. This is my first time doing it, so I just want to show you what you can do with just a few simple ingredients. Let's go. So the first thing we'll do is to generously butter our pie dish. This is a meringue based pie, and so you want to make sure you've got that well greased, and we're going to set that aside. Next comes our eggs. So we're going to separate our egg whites and our egg yolks. So I like to crack them one at a time. These are room temperature eggs. Get as much of the white as I can. And I like to do that to make sure I don't get any shells in there. And then I'll put that in one at a time. The egg yolks will be, oops. Well, that does happen sometimes. So another trick is to just sieve it through your hand. Just like that. Kitchen adventures, right? Here's the third egg that's going in. Wash my hands and we'll get that in. We'll set this aside. Egg yolks are great for making lemon curd or just adding to an omelet. Move this forward. Now I'm just going to resituate things a little. We're going to whisk our eggs until they become frothy. Now we're going to start putting in our sugar, a couple of tablespoons at a time. Now we're going to check our meringue base. We want stiff peaks. It's pretty close. It's still a little grainy on the sugar, so I'm going to let it go a little longer. All right. We are going to set our meringue aside. So we're going to first need some saltine crackers. And we're just going to crush those up as finely as we can. Over here. I'm just using a Ziploc bag in my hands, and it's crumbling really well. You know, saltine crackers are pretty dry. It would save on the dishes using a blender or a food processor. You could also use a rolling pin, get some frustrations out if you need to. But whoops, that works pretty well until you put a hole in it. Okay. Gonna clean that up. All right. So now we've got our meringue. That's ready. And now we're going to take our cracker crumbs, our pecans, our baking powder, and our vanilla. And fold that together until it is well combined. Sure to scrape all those edges to get everything mixed in evenly. Okay. Now we'll take our previously buttered pie dish and add our meringue crust into it. Now we're just going to spread it into the pan, making sure it goes up the sides to form your crust. I'm just drawing it at an angle to get started, and then trying to even it out as best as I can. That's kind of fun to do. All right, evenly uneven, perfect. This will bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Now our pie crust is done. It's cooled, crispy, and now we're going to make the middle. We're going to prepare our strawberries. How should I do these? Just slice them? Now we're going to put our strawberries to the side. Then we're going to pull out our mixer again. Now we're going to make our whipped cream middle. So we're going to take about a cup of heavy whipping cream. Oops. Why a cup? As it thickens, we're going to add a little bit of sugar. Until it forms stiff peaks. Okay. That looks good. So to our whipped cream, that is just now done. We're going to add our strawberries. And fold that in. Then we're going to get our crust and pour our filling in. There we go. Then we'll put this in the refrigerator for a few hours. Then it's ready to eat. So it's been a couple of hours, and there is our strawberry chiffon pie. Now we're going to cut into it. I'm not sure what to expect with this when we cut it open, but we'll see what we've got. The meringue bottom is formed there. Let's try to dish this out of the pan. A pie server would probably be good. Oh, look at that. See it in a bowl. That looks good. There you have it, a strawberry chiffon pie. Let's taste. I really want to taste the crust. I thought it was interesting to have saltine crackers in it, but I mean, you can't really taste it. And together with the strawberries and the whipped cream, it's delightful. So thank you for joining me on another kitchen adventure. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you go ahead and make it, let me know. So go ahead, make it, eat it, and enjoy. Until next time.